professionals. This is Grady from Monroe Consulting Group, and I'm from Industrial Division. I'm currently working with one of our clients, a multinational company. Their business is in maintenance and service for heavy equipment industry, and they're looking for a candidate for a finance controller position. I need people or candidates that is qualified, at least have experience in a similar industry, heavy equipment, being a finance manager or finance and accounting manager for 5 years at managerial level. If you're a candidate that willing to work in the Sunter area, please feel free to send your profile to us so we can have a discussion on that. Thank you.